Hi and welcome to my perfect, and I mean perfect, Scotch egg recipe. Guys, make sure you give it a like and a subscribe, and I would really appreciate that. So we start with boiling our eggs, or in fact steaming our eggs, more to the point. You put in about an inch of water, then we turn up the heat to make sure the water is boiling. When you put the eggs in, put them in very, very carefully, otherwise you'll get hairline cracks like I did, and the eggs will explode whilst steaming. So you've got to put that in and then make sure it has a tight lid, and time yourself for 6 minutes exactly. 6 minutes exactly. Then you have perfectly boiled eggs. This helps with making sure that the eggs are runny rather than traditionally hard boiled. That is my preference. Whatever is your poison, you can choose. You can have hard boiled or soft boiled. This is the best way to get soft boiled eggs. So as soon as it hits 6 minutes, move them to the sink as fast as possible and hit yourself some cold water on top. When you've hit cold water, basically it will stop them from cooking immediately and enable them to cool and stay as they are. Now when you've done that, we need to look at peeling them. And again, with this cooking method of steaming and cooling, it makes them incredibly easy to peel. Make sure when you peeled them, you put them on a tissue or something to make sure that you can dry them, and there's nothing worse than a slippery egg. So we move on to mix the sausage mixture. Now basically all I did was take some sausages that I bought from the supermarket. I split them down the middle, took the skins off, and mash them. As simple as that. I mash them. Then put down cling film onto your table or worktop and put the a healthy portion of sausage meat in the middle and pat it down. Make it a pate, if you will, by placing over the top some cling film and pushing down to make it nice and flat. This is where you will be placing your egg. Your egg will be going in the middle of that, so you need plenty of girth to allow your egg to go in it and to be wrapped up nice and tidy. So now to make your Scotch egg a Scotch egg, we are going to use 3 different methods. So first of all, we have flour there, we also have egg, beaten egg, and then last but certainly not least, and the main star of a Scotch egg is of course breadcrumbs. Now we we start in the flour, we roll around and cover our egg-shaped sausage in flour, and then we put it in the egg mixture, again making sure it's completely covered before then rolling it around and making sure it's completely covered in breadcrumbs, ready to cook. So to cook it, what you would need is I've boiled some oil, it's around 350 degrees, and you lower your Scotch egg in there very carefully for around 5 to 6 minutes. Now that is enough to cook the sausage meat, to brown the outside, but it is also hot enough and long enough to make sure that the egg stays nice and runny inside. We now set it down and leave it for around 5 minutes, because who wants 3rd degree burns? Once the 5 minutes is up, you get to do the thing you've been waiting for. You get to crack open that Scotch egg and see the yolk just ooze out. Then you get to eat it. That's the thing. So that is my recipe for the perfect Scotch egg. Thank you.